Don't be Jesus. Actually, kung kikita niyo po yan, napakalaki po. Iikutan po yan papalabas. No? So, yes, so ito po yung Don't be Jesus. So, kaya we are so blessed. Nandito tayo. And kaya po, yung altar is very different from the church. No? Dahil yung altar na yun is only intended for the priest to celebrate the Mass. And at the same time, yung, kung sino man yung present is usually mga Jews, no? Sila lang yung mga nandito. Pero again, lahat ng prayers natin for this morning, so sa ating intentions, mass intentions, so let us pray to the Lord that every prayer, every petitions ay talagang pakinggan ng Diyos at nandito tayo sa lugar kung saan ay ipinanganak si Jesus. And even kanina, doon po sa ating way of the cross, talagang we are so blessed kasi the last time again, no, na nandito po kami ay napakaraming tao, magulo, no, nagsisigawan, nagmamadaling maingay. So at least at this point in time, God gave us the time, no, and at the same time the chance, no, to feel yung way of the cross, the way of Jesus, no? And so these are we are also thank God for this journey. We are so blessed in this holy land. Father, love and goodness, Father, love of goodness,